guys, it's me, your girl, AVK, and I am back once again, guys, with another YouTube video. And if you cannot tell by the title, guys, I am going to be doing a hair tutorial. I see you guys like my little reviews and my tutorials, so I'm coming back with another one, period. And we're gonna drop another one after that, and another one after that, and another one after that, y'all, because I'm finna start back doing my hair how I used to, y'all. So I have these bundles. Do y'all see them though? These bundles are 3 years old, you guys, and I actually forgot I had them. I found them in my closet yesterday, and I'm like, this would be the perfect video. A lot of people don't know how to restore their bundles. So we're going to be coloring these bundles black, installing them into a glueless quick weave, y'all. So before we get into this video and I tell y'all the supplies and stuff I'm going to be using, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, guys. I would really appreciate it. And also make sure you follow my socials. And let's get right into the mother flipping video. Okay, guys, so before we get into the hair coloring portion of this video, let's get into what you will need to restore your bundles. You might not need this specifically, like you might just want to resume your bundles and wash them and boom, but I got all of that coming. So you're going to need some black velvet adore color 120 hair dye. I got 2 bottles. You're also going to need a bowl and a brush, you know, for the color. Of course, you're going to need your old raggedy bundles. Then you're going to need a surface that's disposable, that you know you can get dirty or whatever, and not too much worry about. And then the most important part to really make sure these bundles come out nice and silky smooth, any choice of shampoo and conditioner, but I like Aussie Moist just because of the moisturizing. So this is the shampoo, and then this is the Aussie Moist conditioner. Let me see. The Aussie Moist conditioner. And then you're also going to need the deep conditioning treatment. That's downstairs, but I'm going to show y'all all of that when I'm using it. So, y'all, I'm going to do a voiceover for this video. So, I'm going to see y'all at the end of the video. Make sure, again, you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And let's get right into it. Get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay, y'all. See y'all.
Hey y'all, hey, voiceover AVK here, and as y'all can see in this clip, I am dyeing my hair, taking it from this busted old, well, the color wasn't ugly, y'all, but it was time for it to go, and making it black. I make sure to cover the hair completely from root to tip, heavily focusing on the roots and the tips. The mid shaft was my concern, but it wasn't that concerning, guys. But I kind of sped through this process, guys. It did not take that long. This particular bundle, my hand got stuck, y'all, but this particular bundle did take almost half of the first bottle, guys, but that's why we got 2 bottles. So I'm just going to keep continuing this process until we get to the end, and I will check back in with y'all in a few. Okay, guys, and we are back. As you can see, I am at the end of this bundle, having a little hard time, but we're getting the process done, y'all. It took me about 5-10 minutes to dye this bundle. So yes, hair dyeing does take a while, y'all, but the ending is so worth it. Can't wait for y'all to see it. But as of right now, I'm just going back over that piece, and then they're all saturated, all covered. And after this, I'm going to hit the rest of those bundles to make sure every piece is completely saturated. I know y'all like, girl, stop saying that word, but saturation is key. Now I'm going in between the bundles and hitting the roots to make sure I got the roots. And after this, I flip it over. As y'all can see, it's still a little couple of brown spots, so we're going to fill those in. And I will be back with y'all when we're reaching the last final couple of pieces, all the bundles are saturated. Bye. Okay, y'all, so this is the last track. Thank God. Y'all, I was literally striping the bowl for color, guys. Literally running out, but by the grace of God, it was just enough to cover this last little bitty track. As y'all can see, off to the side of me, all the hair I have colored is placed on the side. And y'all, one key thing you want to do when making sure you're dyeing your hair is comb through the bundles. Well, this is what I do. Not particularly comb, but brush through the bundles. It will help the hair color spread evenly, guys. As you can see, the hair was crunchy, y'all. Like I told you, they're 3-year-old bundles, so it was crunchy. But as you can see, that's all the hair. All the hair is dyed nice and black, guys. And then I'm going to put it in a plastic baggie, and I let it process for 45 minutes. Now it's time to snap my old raggedy bundles back, y'all. Like I showed y'all earlier, I am using the whole Aussie Moist line. So I'm rinsing this dye out the hair until it runs clear, y'all. I think I rinsed it with warm water. Yeah, warm water, y'all, until it runs clear. Now I'm taking some shampoo and I'm fully saturating the hair, getting all the oils, the dirt, the crunchiness, the crustiness out my hair, y'all. Like, this hair really needed it. It was so dry, so tangled, so matted, y'all. So I'm really getting that shampoo in there, and then I'm gonna comb through it to really get all those knots and tangles out. I know this ain't supposed to do this, y'all, but this is how I do it and it works for me. So I will see y'all when we're about to add the conditioner. Now I'm going to add the conditioner, guys, and I'm going to fully put this conditioner in here, y'all. I used a lot of conditioner because I really wanted my hair to feel soft. This is where the moisture comes back. The hair really regains its usefulness, guys. Like, it just pops. Then I'm going to add that little small bottle in there. That's my deep conditioner. I'm going to add that in there as well and really saturate it. After that, guys, I am going to brush it through like I did with the shampoo and sit it in a plastic bag for maybe 10-15 minutes so the hair can really soak up all the moisture of the conditioner. After that, I rinse the conditioner out with cold water and we let that air dry, and then we're gonna do the installation, guys, and I will see y'all when we're installing this hair. Voice over AVK is out for now, but don't cancel me. I'll see y'all in a few. And just like that, guys, it is installation time. Ignore my ugly faces, y'all. I was just entertaining y'all. But as y'all can see, the bundles are nice and dry and wavy and jet black, y'all. And they look brand spanking new. So what you see me doing here is I am blow drying my hair. I know you like, girl, why are you blow drying your hair? Y'all, I put Pump It Up spray on there to protect my hair. And I did the whole foundation process, so I'm just blow drying it down. As you can see, I'm putting the glue on the tracks. after I measured it, and then I'm going to apply this to my head, guys, just following the shape and overall method that I applied the wig cap on in my head, guys. And I basically repeat these steps. Just cut, measure, glue, and press and blow dry. Measure, glue, press, and blow dry, y'all. That's the only thing I continue to do. And I'm gonna let y'all watch me continue to do that for the next couple of clips. And I'll be back once all the hair is in and we are on to styling. Okay, y'all, and we are at the top. I'm about to close it up and wrap it up, wrap it up. And y'all gonna see in a couple of clips, I really start to feel myself, y'all. Like, I start feeling like a bad bee, honey. Don't play with me. I am not one to be played with, guys. But yes, this is how it's looking so far. We're gonna close the top part up. Same method like I told y'all. Basically just wrapping around where the cap is. Wherever the cap stop is, wherever I stop. I'm not going over the cap, guys. And look at me, just, oh, okay. And y'all had little white stuff on my lips. They were so crusty, but I was still cute though, y'all. So I'm gonna continue doing this, and I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. It's the next morning. As you can see, the leave-out is flat. Everything is blended, guys. Look at that hair, the blonde. Yes, honey. Those old bundles ain't got nothing, baby. Because who said these bundles 3 years old? Says who? Because they look new to me. But anyways, I'm on to styling it, guys. I'm about to add some curls in there with my big one curl. My favorite one curl, y'all. I got this from somebody. I don't know who. But I'm so grateful for it because I love it. So I'm just gonna wrap the hair around, hold it for a few seconds, let it go. Give me some big, cute curls, y'all. And I'm gonna do this to both sides of my head. And just continue doing this till I get to the top, y'all. And y'all are gonna see the final results. Now I just tried to sing. So y'all got me acting out of character. Okay, y'all, but yeah, that's what I did. And I will see y'all. Voiceover Aavvieee is out. Gang, gang, gang.
is the final look, you guys. This looks very natural, very like, I just went and got my hair blowed out, edges. You know, but this is the hair. Like I said, get into it. Okay, let me leave my hair alone. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, because I will be doing my hair more on my channel, you guys. Just let me know what styles I should try, guys, but I'm really loving this look. Like, it's so cute. I know it will come out cute. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget, again, to follow my socials at, well, Instagram at AVIE, 2 E's _K, and Snapchat queen.avie.